Hello, my name is Sylvia, ESOL Coordinator, ESOL Adults, Rush Green Campus, and I'm going to show you today one of the softwares that I use during online classes. Just a little bit of background maybe first. So before lockdown, we would, when we teach ESOL writing skills, for example, in a normal classroom environment, a teacher would go and see what students have written, and you would be able then to give students feedback there and then. However, since lockdown started and we've moved our classes, some of our classes, to an online mode, I thought that I can't really assess students' writing during online sessions, because outside of the online sessions you can set them assignments on Google Classroom, use Google Forms, quizzes, and other tools as well. However, I thought, what can we do to actually see students writing during online classes? And Mentimeter is a software that I have been using with my classes, and it's been great. I've started using it when Andy Daffy, once at one of the meetings that I've attended with him, he posted a question on Mentimeter for us to answer, and I thought, oh, actually, this could be a great tool for my classes, for online lessons, and that would serve really well in assessing students' writing skills. So it's called Mentimeter, and it's a software for online presentations. You can use it for questions and answers, discussions, as a word cloud as well. It's free. You can use it with your Google, you can log in to it using your Google account. So it's mentimeter.com. You click on it, and then you log in. You can log in using your Google account. And then you create a new presentation here. You name the presentation, for example, a test, and then you've got different options on the right-hand side. What sort of type of presentation you want? You can have multiple choice, word cloud, that's great for brainstorming ideas, or you can have, and this is what I actually have used to assess students' writing during online classes, open-ended questions. So you click on that box, and then you decide how you want students to answer it, whether it be in speech bubbles one by one. So I usually click on the speech bubble, and then you can let participants to submit multiple times. It's up to you whether you want to limit to one response or to multiple times. And then you type in your question. For example, what do you like to do? Any question, basically. And then you click on the present mode. When you click on the present mode, this is what will appear on your screen, and then you can share your screen with your students, and then you ask your students to go to menti.com, and this is the code that they need to type in without any logins, without downloading any apps, and then they will see this question on the screen, whether they're using a laptop or a tablet or the phone. This is all happening during an online class. And then students type in the answers and submit their answers. And once they've submitted the answers, they will all appear on this screen. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in reality. So I've done it with one of my classes. They had to answer this question, and then we go through the answers together, and together we're able to correct the mistakes. So we focus on grammar, spelling, punctuation. That was during an online class. You could also do it in the college. So that's what I did at a college with my class. So students logged on to menti.com, and they provided with the answers, and then we would discuss it together. So students were able to see all the answers on the board. You can use it as a word cloud. So for example, during online lesson, I've used this as a word cloud, and students had to basically answer the question, what is bullying? And that's what they came up with. I've also recorded part of my class when I actually do this during online class. I'm going to show you part of the video. What I'd like you to do now is to write some sentences on your phones or tablets or laptops, okay? So what I would like you to do is to go onto menti.com. I'm going to show you. Okay, so go to menti.com here. And choose this account. And so students were given 3 minutes to write the answers. For early finishers, I asked them to write more sentences in their notebooks just to practice the grammar structures that we were practicing during an online class. And then I'm going to show you what it looked like during an online class. Okay, lovely. Right, so what we'll do, I'm just going to share something with you. This is what you've written, okay? So the question was, what are your predictions for 2029? And that's what you're going to represent answers in writing to ensure. And then students, one by one, they've written their names here. And we go through it. I ask them whether they agree with their statements or not, but they would have done the discussions before the writing activity. And we go through the mistakes. So I'm just going to show you another bit of that lesson. We will, yeah, we will, good. We will probably have more virus in plural. What's virus in plural? And so basically it is what we do in my classes. Students can write during online classes, and I'm able to look at what they've written, and we can all look at the sentences together. And then what I do, I post it on Google Classroom for them to see as well.